Hey everybody, welcome back to this random journey. Today I thought that I would just take you over to our property and show you the progress we've made. I'll throw in some pictures and videos, different things of the progress as it was being done. But I wanted to show you what we've done so far over there. So let's head on over to the property and see what's happening. First things first, I wanted to talk about this building here. If you remember, and I'll try to throw a picture up, this building had some crazy looking doors on it that weren't doing much in way of protecting from the weather or from intruders. And so my husband built these doors, if I can get it open. Get it open so you can see what's happening here. So he built these doors here and they're really nice and solid. He also went ahead and filled, I don't know if you can see it, but he filled some cracks. Let's see if it'll focus for you guys. There it goes. So he filled the cracks up there so water wouldn't like run in whenever it was raining and that kind of stuff. He filled holes up in the top of the roof. And then him and my son dug out right here and put these bricks down in there so that it kind of separates the shed area from the outside. I really like that. I think that looks really nice. And I like that it makes that separation between where the building begins and ends. Plus it was helpful for these doors to be able to have a definite place to, like, you know, stop. So yeah, that happened and I'm really happy with the results of that. And quickly before we shut these doors up, my husband also made this little pulley system for his canoe. So he can just pull in underneath the canoe with the Trailblazer and lower it down, and we can be on our way a lot quicker than before. Another thing that happened was that we took down a tree that was like on the building basically. And so my husband did a lot of that whenever I was still in bed, so early morning. And so I didn't get a lot of video and stuff, but I did get some, so I'll throw those in for you guys to be able to see. land on the peach tree. You kill my peach tree. My poor peach tree. You can see the peach tree. Oh, my peach tree. And you destroyed the shed.
You did destroy the
Well,
shed.
that's coming off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. No? I was more worried about you hitting that pole.
I did hit the pole a little bit.
Yeah, it wiggled it.
Yeah, I saw the one.
But that's coming out. This whole awning's coming off anyways. But I'm more sad about the peach tree. You broke the little
But
thing.
it didn't hurt the pole.
We can we can just lop that off and hopefully it'll come back.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be alright.
Ta-da! Another one bites the dust.
Ready for a ladder. Done all I can do up here.
So you can see that we had a little bit of damage to that tree, but it looks so much nicer on the back side of the building now. It's gotten all cleared out. Let me show you what that looks like. So here it is. There's our peach tree right there that had the damage with the branch. It has now taken off. He patched the place right there where it had busted through the wall. It's temporary because this is coming out, guys. And the back here is all cleared out of that brush that was like all the way out to that dirt right there. Was just lots and lots of weeds and trash, and so that all got cleared out. And we still have the wood back here that we are going to do something with, so it's just going to lay there and dry out. Let's go to the front of the building now. And if you can remember what the front of this looked like, I will definitely be putting in a video of when this the vine that was up here was like wild grapes that didn't produce any grapes.
You got it! Rip it over there!
What?
Here, you get video mom. I'm gonna help her.
Okay. What?
Look at you go, superstar.
And I went ahead and pulled those off so that they weren't overtaking our elderberry, which is right here, that has some elderberries on it right now. And just because I wanted to start getting this nicer looking, you can actually see the door now, where you couldn't see that before. Not that that door is operational, but at least you can see that there's potential for a door. Sorry about that. But yeah, so it looks a lot better than it did before. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I know that it was just kind of a quick update on the property, and there's so much more that's going to happen over here. There's a lot happening inside the building as well. We've gotten it cleaned up a little bit more, and we started storing things in there that I have been finding on my little treasure hunts. And I've been thinking about posting some more treasure hunts or some trash picking videos, and I think that you guys like those. If you like those kind of videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you next time.